Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here at the park that I like to fly at. And it's a kind of breezy, a little breezy this morning. A little cloudy, not too sunny, but still a beautiful morning for flying. And it's Wacky Wednesday, y'all. I'm out here with one of my quads that I love to fly. Very, very rare. I only know of one other person who has one of these. Let me know if you guys have one. I'm out here to fly Uranus. So this thing is not deviated, so I have the transmitter out here too. And so might look a little familiar, kinda, because this thing is a clone of the JJRC JJ1000, and it flies really nice, has a really fast yaw rate, maybe faster than the JJ1000 version 2, maybe. It has green lights. Well, I think it has a red light too, red and green, or maybe blue and green, can't remember. But this thing has an awkward name and it has an awkward motor stem size. So these motor stems are the size of 6mm motors. They're very thin. Not sure what's the size, but normal props that usually fit on the JJ1000 does not fit on this thing, so really hard to find props for it. I've been thinking about chop shopping this thing, but it's such a unique quad that I really don't want to change anything about it. But really thinking about changing the inside of this guy, maybe to a JJ1000 version 2, so this thing can be flown with multi-protocol transmitters. And also I've been thinking about swapping out these motors so I can put normal props on it, make it easier to find props. But these props aren't bad. I don't think that these are even the stock props, just a pair of props that I found that fitted. I think I lost one of the other props and never found it. And so here we are. Let's get Uranus in the air. We're in low rates now. So I had to flip to second rate because the wind started pulling me away. And it's got a weird drift on it. But this is second rate, pretty decent pitch on it. Check out the yaw. Wind's trying to take it from me. Uranus is an awesome flyer. Sheesh, but the wind is really doing a number on it. Let me switch to third rate. Okay, we're in third rate now. Actually, let's do a flip. Sheesh. Wind making it climb a lot, but check out the yaw. It's a really fast yaw. Uh-oh. And it fell down late. Had me a little nervous there. And man, the wind is really blowing this little guy around. Let me see. Take off again with it. Yeah, so this was my issue with this guy, is the yaw is a little too fast. Doesn't match up with the pitch and all. Does have a really fast yaw. Check it out. This guy can spin around on one motor pod. And with the transmitter not being the best, well, I'm getting a little nicer resolution than usually because I added this thumbstick, a taller thumbstick on it. But Uranus is an awesome flyer though. Clipped the branch there, and I just brought it down because I couldn't see it. It was behind the tree. By the time I was able to see it again, I was already committed to letting it go down. So let's get it back in here again. And I think I'm going to fly it in second rate though. A little more controllable. If I had a multi-protocol transmitter connected to this guy, then I would probably fly it on high rates. Really considering swapping out the board in it in order to be able to fly this guy with a multi-protocol transmitter. And this transmitter is kind of weird. The sticks on it, seems like I can get a lot more resolution going to one direction than the other side as far as the yaw. It'll over yaw on me when I'm going this direction here. Can't really get the yaw up, and we're going down. Are we going down? I'm gonna bring it in. I don't want it to fall. Sheesh, that was full throttle and it was kind of wobbling on me and starting to go down. So that's a quick flight of Uranus. Awesome little flyer. Wacky Wednesday, y'all. Thanks for watching.